Hi guys, I'm so happy that we're here together to create. So we are working on making some roller coaster abstract names, and this is my finished example. My name is Miss Abatello, so I just did Miss A because Miss Abatello has a lot of letters in it. So today we're going to use a pencil and then outline with marker to do our wavy lines and write our names nice and big to fill up the sections that we're going to create. So I have a blank paper here. You'll need a paper, a pencil, and something to outline with. I'm going to use just a marker first because when I use pencil on my paper, you can't really see it because of the camera. So even though I'm not using pencil first, you should still use pencil first because if you need to erase or you make a mistake, you want to make sure that you're able to do that. But I'm going to use just marker. And the first thing you're going to do is start by making those roller coaster wavy lines. And we're going to make 3 of them. So I'm going to start by making one line, a wavy line going all the way across my paper. 1, 2, and 3. And when I make 3 lines, it gives me 1, 2, 3, 4 sections or spaces on my paper. So I'm going to now fill in these 4 spaces with my name over and over and over again. And I think it's easiest for this project to write your name using all uppercase or capital letters. And the trick is that you want your letters to touch both lines of the paper. So I'm starting at the bottom line, touching the top of my paper, and we'll come back down. Here, I'm going to touch the bottom line and touch the top line with my letters. So I'm going to start with the letter M because I'm going to do Miss A. And again, I started at my bottom line, touching the top of my paper and coming back down. That's a letter that's really filling up that whole space that I have. What you do not want to do is a letter like this that is so teeny tiny. That one is not touching the top of my paper. So that S is not big enough. If I did that with pencil, I would erase it and try again. But because I use marker, I'm just going to keep going. Again, my A is now going to touch the bottom of my lines and the top of my paper. And I'm going to now repeat it. Another M, another S. But oh no, I have run out of room. I didn't finish writing my name, but I have no more paper left. Where do you think that the rest of my name can go? If you guessed in this space down here, you were correct. And that's what's going to make our name look abstract because you're not really going to be able to maybe tell that it's a name at the end. But because I ended with an S here, I'm going to come down here and do my A. Again, touching both lines, and I'm just going to keep going. Another M, another S, another A, another M. Again, I didn't get to finish, so I'm going to come down here, another S, another A, over and over. And one more section to fill. Let's see if I can fit it one more time. Oh, I couldn't finish my name. I only had room for MS. That is okay. That's what makes it abstract. It does not have to look perfect like we always write our names. So this is the point that we're going to get to today. If you used only pencil first, like I suggested that you do, once you have done this all in pencil, you're going to come back with a marker or something dark and trace over all those pencil lines with your marker so that when you add color, you can still see your name and the letters that you made really easily. If you just use pencil, it's just a little bit harder to read once we add color. Not the end of the world, but outlining will help us have a great, beautiful, successful artwork. So I cannot wait to see what you guys make and how you write your name. And remember, next week we're going to add color, so don't add color just yet. All right, my friends, happy creating.